Benchmark indices actually rebounded in trade to end at a 4-week high. If you see the Sensex, a close of nearly 750 points coming in there, and you have Nifty 50, which ended near 19,675 levels. Now, taking Bank Nifty into consideration was it was in the positive, but clearly underperformed the benchmark indices in trade. The breadth was absolutely in favor of the bulls, and from a sector-specific perspective, if you see, it was IT as well as real estate that were the top gainers, though you had all the sectoral indices that ended in the positive. Real estate is an interesting one, and now whether the rally will spread over to the ancillary names is what we need to wait and watch. Let's quickly look at the top gainers in terms of Nifty 50. You had names like Aisha Motors, which traded at a 52-week high. Tech Mahindra, Infosys from the IT pack. Hindalco from the metal pack has been on a good run, and this is on the back of the way Novelis numbers have panned out, Hindalco numbers have panned out, and the trajectory going ahead is looking absolutely positive. Tata Motors, a 2.5-3% up move coming in there, and this is on the back of the Tata Technology IPO that we've been looking at. Talking about losers, Bajaj Finance, Power Grid, IndusInd Bank, Dr. Reddy's, as well as Cipla. These were the top losers in today's day of trade. Also, let's look at a few of the names that were in focus on the back of the MSCI Rejig, IndusInd Bank, Suzlon, Persistent System, Polycab, Tata Motors, DVR. Macrotech Developers has been an interesting one also that we have been watching out for, as well as Paytm and Tata Communications. So these are a few of the 9 inclusions that we have looked at and were in focus. Talking about other newsmakers, Narayan Hridayalaya was one of the names that was up in trade, and this is on the back of earnings. Jayaprakash Associates as well was in focus today. Cipla was another one that we were watching out for. So clearly a lot of newsmakers in trade, but overall, whether this bull run does continue and for how many sessions is what we need to wait and watch.